Of advocates will descend on Capitol Hill this week to push for lawmakers to make cancer a national priority. Volunteers from across the country will meet with Congress to discuss important issues in the fight against the disease. Lead Tennessee American Cancer Society volunteer Brittany Block is a survivor from Memphis, Tennessee. She joins us live from Washington, D.C. this morning. Brittany, welcome to Live at 9. So good to see you this morning.
Thank you, Alex. I appreciate you guys having me.
Our pleasure for sure. First and foremost, just to put it simply, this is very personal for you and so many other volunteers and so many other family members, is it not? And why?
Absolutely. I was diagnosed in 2016 when I was 26 years old. I had thyroid cancer, and I was the first person in my family to be diagnosed. So as you can imagine, my life completely got upended at that point in time, and I felt the need to give back. And that's why so many of us are here from every state in the U.S. We're here to fight back against cancer and speak with our lawmakers about policy that can really bring cancer to an end one day.
When it comes to changing policy, improving policy, Brittany, what do you hope to really accomplish there? Again, I know you plan on meeting with Marsha Blackburn, Steve Cohen, Bill Hagerty, just to name a few. What can be done?
Yeah, absolutely. I think our two biggest priorities this year, first and foremost, is an increase in cancer research funding. I am quite literally a product of that. Having papillary thyroid cancer, it's one of the most curable cancers that there is, and that's specifically because of funding for research over the years. That being said, we also want to improve access to early cancer detection tests and basically decrease any sort of barriers for persons in our community to be able to get the cancer care that they need, be able to detect cancer sooner.
And Brittany, I'm so glad you brought that up. A lot of people listening and watching this morning will possibly say, why are there still barriers out there? Doesn't it make sense just to come up with additional funding to make sure we have the research needed to find cures, perhaps?
Yeah, absolutely. We were just having a meeting earlier this morning about how when we are detecting cancer sooner rather than later, it actually is cost saving at the end of the day for our economy as well. Not to mention just, the impact it has on everyone's lives who are touched by cancer. I know for me personally, being in the Memphis community, where our community is predominantly Black, we talk a lot about health equity and making sure that everyone has access to health care at the levels that they need. So that piece for me, being a Memphian, is truly important, and I'm very proud that we're having those conversations with our lawmakers.
And another thing a lot of people may not realize, Brittany, out-of-pocket cost that, as you pointed out yourself, so many Memphians and others across the country have to deal with and perhaps can't afford. How do you see that issue?
Yeah, absolutely. That actually impacted myself. When I was 26, I had just come off of my parents' insurance at the time, and having to navigate all of that and really figure out funding for myself as a young adult who had just started in her own career, it was something that was very personal to me. And, truly understanding the difference between healthcare coverage and then also realizing that pharmaceutical is a totally different part of that. For any of your pharmaceutical needs when it comes to cancer. So navigating all of that, again, for our community in particular, where we are underfunded and underserved, really fighting for the opportunity to get those funds available for persons who need care. We need to be able to limit the barriers, especially when it comes to monetary needs.
And one thing that I think, Brittany, will hit home maybe for a lot of people are, unfortunately, these words. Roughly 1 in 3 Americans will hear the words, "You have cancer." What does that mean to so many, and what urgency does that also bring, you think?
Yeah, I know for me, it was devastating to hear. I had no idea when I heard those words myself what my outcome was going to be. And fortunately for me, I went through my diagnosis and treatment very quickly. However, I know that not everyone has that experience. Like I mentioned, I was the first person in my family diagnosed with cancer. And since that time in 2016, I've had numerous family members be diagnosed with cancer. My mother had melanoma, and my paternal grandfather passed away from pancreatic cancer. And, it's just something that impacts everyone's lives, and it's a disease that does not stop. it impacts everybody. And that's why we need to continue fighting. And again, we really have to urge our lawmakers to make this a top priority.
Brittany, you are definitely on a mission, and you're really representing Memphis, Tennessee very well. Thank you very much for taking the time to be with us. Stay in touch with us. Let us know how those meetings go this week.
Thanks, Alex.
All right, Brittany, good talking with you. Still ahead this morning.